As we've worked with technology providers, both smaller emerging companies, as well as on the other end, more mature and highly scaled businesses, we've noticed fairly consistently that the quality of the operating model they have in place has a direct influence on the results they can achieve with customer success. The operating model essentially frames out the blueprint for how does customer success engage with customers, regardless of whether they're larger strategic accounts or whether they be smaller, more quote-unquote commercial accounts. And in order to get this blueprint in place, companies need to focus on really 5 key things as part of defining the operating model. The first thing to get right with the operating model is clearly defining the charter for the customer success team. Whether that charter be expanding sales, whether that be focused on renewals, whether that be driving product adoption, or a combination of the 3 things, it's important to get in place the right charter so that it provides the context for the design of the operating model as a whole. The second aspect is the customer segmentation model. It's important to design the right tiers of customers so that you can start to engage customers in a highly differentiated manner. And this is an important thing to get right because it sets you up for scale as the business grows. The third aspect is the customer engagement model. In order to deliver a great customer experience, it's important to clearly define what those customer interactions would look like and what the internal coordination and handoffs across different roles needs to look like. The fourth aspect is roles and responsibilities. A number of different roles needs to come together to deliver the right customer experience. This makes it imperative to ensure that the responsibilities and deliverables are clarified across all of these roles to minimize any duplication or overlap in scope. The last element is the organizational structure. In order to ensure that we have the right accountability model in place, the key performance indicators and the metrics that we're going to use to hold both individuals as well as teams accountable for delivering the right customer experience and the right financial results is important to get in place. Putting in place these 5 elements is clearly a non-trivial undertaking. Getting it right will absolutely position companies to deliver a great customer experience and achieve their financial objectives.